Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the brand new release of the 44 card deck and guidebook, African Goddess Rising Oracle. This is by Abiola Abrams. I'm really excited about this. The artwork that I've seen looks amazing. So this is published by Hay House, retailing for $19.99 in the US, $25.99 in Canada. So it says, have you ever wanted to tap into ancestral goddess wisdom and ignite your own goddess power? This goddess deck includes revered deities, matriarchal spirits, supernatural creatures, and regal ancestors, reflecting the multi-dimensional nature of traditional African spirituality. They each come bearing celestial gifts of knowledge for you. Should you accept these gifts, life will never be the same. So Destiny Powell is the artist for this as well. All right, let's get into it. I'm really excited. I'm already here for whatever card this turns out to be because it's stunning. Okay. Oh, look at this. You called upon the goddesses and the goddesses called you. You are being called to bear witness to your own joy, magic, and power. Will you heed the call? I love this already. And real fast, not a bad price tag for this at all. We've got 44 cards. I am excited. Okay, before we get into the cards, let's just see if there's anything pertinent that we need to know. We've got different temples. Okay, so they're the suits of the cards, and then we have blessing your cards, and then we have some spreads. So that's really interesting. We've got different suits or temples. Awesome. So these cards are divided into 9 temples or suits. So we have threshold, guardians, ancestors, conjurers, warriors, shadows, lovers, griots, queens, and high priestesses. They represent the 9 divine inner temples you must face and integrate to awaken goddess energy within. This is awesome. Okay. So then we have information on each of the suits, which is great. Then we have illumination cards. And let's just look at the spreads real fast. We have a 1 card, the 3 cards of the Goddess Temple spread, the Talking Drum, the Council of Elders spread. Awesome, awesome. And then in this deck, reversals or upside down cards are a highlight or accent, meaning that this is a message you need to focus on. When you pull a card, you have called upon that goddess, and she has also called you. For each card, you are giving the goddess a story, a direct message from the goddess, and then a deeper reading on embodying her guidance. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's get into it. Sometimes we have to, before we get into the flip through, really take a look at what the author wants us to know about how the deck is set up. So that's why I do the guidebook in the beginning. That way we really get to know what is in store for us. All right, there is the back. I'm going to call this a semi-gloss. There's a little bit of reflection in there, but not so glossy. Oh, all right. The art style, I am here for. The colors, they're so rich and vibrant. The numbers up top, we've got the name and then what the card is about, or the energy of the card. And the cardstock is your typical Hay House cardstock. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. I feel like this might be a little bit thinner than normal, but it does have that glossy coating, so I'm not mad at it yet. Just giving you guys a heads up. Oh my gosh. I am already blown away. Like everything about this deck so far I am here for. This is stunning. Look at the colors, the different body types. This is very powerful energy for sure, like confident. Oh, just radiant. Love it. So we do have the little changes of color here, so I'm assuming that has to do with the different temples. I'm just going to you know, ooh and ah over this whole deck, I guarantee you. So I do apologize. But it's just so visually stunning. Dynamic too. Very dynamic. Love. I am loving all of, oh my gosh, I can't. Just everything is gorgeous. Oh, the outfits. Love. I don't know what I was expecting. I knew I was going to love the art style, but let me tell you, I have goosebumps. And it is phenomenally beautiful. Oh, I love. There's just so much to look at too. I can't wait to get into the guidebook because this is going to be one of those decks that will give me an education because again, all of this is like out of my wheelhouse and I am excited to just get an education. Stunning. Oh, wow. Ooh. Love this card. Wow. Ooh. That's so cool. Yes, here's that cover art. I love this so much. Everything about this card right here is just stunning. Like, this is eye candy beyond eye candy. I absolutely cannot tell you how much I love this card. Oh, wow. It's so luscious. Like, that's the word that keeps going through my head with all of the sceneries in the background and just the vibrancy. It's just lush. And my eyes are just so happy. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Oop, we skipped one. Oh. I hope the camera picks up on how beautiful the colors are. I really do, because this is like this art style. Like, if I could have more decks like this, please. I am loving this. It's not like, computer generated, uncanny valley. It's not too realistic. It's not too cartoony. It's just like the right balance of just vibrancy and groundedness. I'm blown away. I love it. Oh, wow. Oh, again, we skipped one. So sorry. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is just a gorgeous deck. Wow. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, I don't have an issue with this. It is a little thin, I'm not gonna lie. I do feel like it is a little bit thinner than the other semi-glossed decks that come from Hay House. But it could just be me overthinking it. But I'm going to be honest. But it's not something that I can't personally deal with. However, it might be something that you guys don't like. Okay, so we have Marie Laveau. Ooh, I didn't even notice the names. I was too busy looking at the artwork. Marie Laveau, Good Juju. All right, so we're going to read for this card, number 7. And I love that there is a table of contents so we can flip right to it. Okay. This is how the guidebook is set up. So, Goddess of Good Juju, New Orleans. Temple of Ancestors and Element of Fire. Great ancestress Marie Laveau was a larger-than-life New Orleans voodooine. A successful spiritpreneur, the famous voodoo queen first built a thriving business as a hairstylist. Yes, I know about Marie Laveau. Okay, and like I don't know a lot, but like this I'm excited about because she is such a fascinating person. So Marie Laveau's guidance. Great luck is yours now. You have been granted the greatest inheritance. Embrace your divine abundance. You have good juju. Embodiment. This is a time of increase for you. You are heiress to a rich heritage of divine prosperity. Accept your ancestral inheritance. Good juju is abundance. Luck is being supported by the universe. Abundance is the God-goddess way. Just as you want abundance for those who come after you, your creator embraces wealth for you too. Goddess declaration, all I do is win. Oh my gosh. Listen, I'm excited to get to know the energies of this deck. This, I feel, is just a beautifully done oracle deck. I wanted to see real fast. Let's see. As a woman of African Guyanese heritage, please, I'm so sorry about my pronunciation. I'm trying. I grew up with my intimate knowledge of many of the enchanted beings you will meet in this deck. I come from generations of intuitives and healers, so channeling divine downloads is not new to me. But these oracle keepers were persistent. They dreamed me, pursued me, and guided me through this co-creation. Then Spirit and I manifested Goddess Destiny Powell, and her spellbinding artwork in this oracle deck bloomed. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously shook with how much I love this deck. Again, I am not knowledgeable of most of the energies and the goddesses and the representation here, which I'm excited to learn about through this author. So that's why I think I'm really more excited, because like, oh my gosh, not only is it a beautifully done oracle, like I get to learn. And if you've been following me for a while, you understand how much I love learning new things. So if this has been on your wish list, don't hesitate. I think it's stunning. I think it is beautiful. What a flippin' deck of 2021. Like, this is what we need. We need more of this. This, I cannot scream from the rooftops how much I really just love the whole concept, everything about this deck. So my only complaint is the cardstock, but again, it's not a deal breaker for me. But I would love to know what you think about this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is it a hard pass for you? The price is right. I mean, I just, you know, I can't be excited enough about it. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And check out the channel memberships and my Patreon going on right now and see what perks you can get by signing up. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.